How to fix, please contact iTunes support to complete this transition. So if you want to fix this problem of please contact iTunes support to complete this transition, then what you need to do is first step that you need to do is on your iOS device, you just need to go for settings and go for iTunes app stores and tap on your Apple ID and then sign out. After signing out, tap on settings, tap on iTunes and app stores and tap on sign in. So first you just need to sign out and then again go for sign in and your problem might be fixed. It is possible that you are having this problem because you may have multiple Apple devices like MacBook, iPad, iPhone, etc. Sharing the same iTunes account, if this is the case for you, you just need to simply log out of your Apple ID and you can go with another ID and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply go with your account settings on your iPhone and then you need to go for country and region. Under country and region, make sure to change your country. And once you change your country, you will be able to fix your problem. So these were the ways on how you can fix. Please contact iTunes support to complete this transition. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.